Hey fam, my youngest son, we're currently school shopping, but I had to make a stop, of course. Say what's up, YouTube.
Park 2.0.
Yeah. You heard that, man? He said 3 Pac 2.0.
And now because of this and that.
Here these nice young ladies was admiring my t-shirt. I had on a Tallahassee Harley Davidson shirt. And it's crazy. Every Harley you go,
All right, so
they actually grab ideas from the next person who comes in with a different style t-shirt. So it was pretty cool.
Here's to my Kia. My Kia person.
This is my YouTube channel. It's called F.A.M, Family and Motorcycles.
Family and motorcycles. Well, hey, hi. Hey, welcome to Georgia. All right, sweet.
Here we just pointing out our favorite bikes. This 2025 Fat Boy Grey Ghost really caught my eye. All chrome. Fire bike. My son Braylon loves this Road Glide CVO. That's what he wants. And of course my youngest son Miles loves the street bike. Here again, I'm back towards the street glides. I love the 2024-25 street glides. This color is my favorite. I don't know, it's just like the 24s or 25s do something for me. I also like the older ones, but these 24s and 25s, I gravitate towards them more than I do the newer Road Glides for some reason. At this point, she's had enough, so I stopped at the next spot for school shopping. Just one more stop, guys, and we'll head to the mall. Let's see what Indian has to offer. You don't like that? These Vanderhaals, they look good, not for me. They look good. You know, I just rather stay in my car, I guess. But everybody who came out gravitated straight to these cars or these bikes or steering wheel, three-wheelers. I don't know what the hell they are, but everybody came over and checked them out. I mean, they look fun. Maybe later in life, but right now, nah, not for me. Of course, my kids love them. This sale on these things is crazy. Check this out. Buy a Vanderhaal, get one free. this point, these guys forgot about school shopping and jumped straight to December. Dad, can I get this for Christmas? Dad, can I get this for Christmas? Yeah, we'll see.
They're dirt bikes.
I love the fact that they love the bike life. I mean, they watch me in and out all day. They watch my lady on hers. You know, it gives them something to do other than, you know, being out here in these streets, of course. But I love the fact that they love the bike life like the dad. After leaving Harley and seeing nothing but Harleys, these guys had a field day on learning about different bikes, from Indians to Kawasaki's to Hayabusas to BMWs. They had a field day. My oldest son knows my heart, so no matter how much he loves a bike, he's always gonna go right back to, but I like a Harley, I like that too. But I want him to understand, ride what you want to ride, man. Whatever fits you, do your thing. My first bike was a Suzuki M109, and I still love those. I'm just Harley at heart. Say it again, man. What is this place?
It's like an all you can eat but for motorcycles.
That's hard.
Yeah, that's hard.
Indian.
I would get a big field and buy one of these. I get a big field and buy one of these. Ride around all day. That's so big. Pretty sure it's yes, right there.
Now this one really grabbed me. This bike is so beautiful. I mean, Indian really took their time with this paint job for sure. I mean, I fell in love with this bike. Again, Harley at heart, but my brother-in-law rides the Indian. He loves it. I've actually ridden his a few times. It's very smooth. But like my cousin Batman like to say, it's not a movement. Harley's a movement. Indian's a bike. It's just my opinion. Let me know what you think in the comments. I like that. You like Indian motorcycles? You like Harleys, of course? I like it too. I love coming to Indian with Harley gear on, top and bottom. I love it. I'm petty like that.
Okay. Yes, sir. Look at that matte blue. I don't like these ropes, bro. I don't like that.
Yeah. I like that lighter.
I love rocking the gear of what I pay on. Understand? So if I'm on Harley, I'm probably going to be Harley from head to toe. However, BMW, they really got some nice stuff. Really got some nice stuff. Smart glasses. I just got the metal Ray-Bans. I love those glasses, but they have their own. Now look, if you see me in these, I don't want to hear nothing. I really like these boots, and I think I can get away with it on the Harley. Can I get away with it? Let me know in the comments.
I never seen one of those before. That particular one, I've ridden these in yachts. This is the bigger version of a yacht.
And it actually has a second pump.
Yeah. This one is travel the world. Well, you can do it on yachts too, but this one is just bigger.
I think Harley started something with that purple wave. This thing is real nice to me. Real nice on this bike. On this Can-Am.
No, it's up here.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah. Now, you ever thought about upgrading to one of the big ones? I like this one.
Yeah, I like this one. I like the color of this one.
And we did go shopping, guys. We did get school clothes out of the way. It was a great day, great fun day for the fam. Family and motorcycles. That's what the channel is. Let's go. If you're rocking with my background music, it's by a producer named Mansa Musica. Get at me in the comments for info.